Yes, so I'll start the meet. तो दिस वीक्स मटेरियल सब कर रहे होंगे एंड क्या बोलते हैं एक्सरसाइज भी सब कर ही रहे होंगे। इस वीक में एज फार एज आई रिमेम्बर फीचर इंजीनियरिंग आ जाता है, के मीन्स क्लस्टरिंग, पीसीए, टारगेट एनकोडिंग एंड ये सब इस वीक में आता है ना, एज फार एज आई रिमेम्बर। ठीक है, तो व्हाट वी हैव डिसाइडेड इज, क्योंकि जो द प्रोजेक्ट विच यू हैव, which is the bonus project, and both project involve some other models too, apart from the one, the material that we have given in the doc itself. So we have decided to make the project a little more diverse and deep, due to which we are including some more things into it. Okay, so the things that we'll include into it will involve Matplotlib and Seaborn. It's like NumPy and Pandas only, and Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for basically graphing. Different type of graphs you can make using these two, with which you can analyze the data which you have, which makes it difficult to do, which makes it easier to do data analysis and proceed with your model application and which model to apply. It basically helps a lot. The next thing we'll do is we'll give you material and resources for linear and logistic regression. So how we'll do that? We'll give you resources and an exercise related to that resource, so that you can learn what exactly is linear and logistic regression. Moving forward, we'll give you a basic introduction of neural networks, which is we'll go into deep learning and a basic introduction of neural networks, in which we'll go deep into CNN, which is convolutional neural networks, which basically deals with images. Okay, so I'll share the screen now and we'll tell you how exactly the exercise will be. If you guys have any doubt till now, you can raise your hands and ask. Okay, then I'll proceed to share my screen. My screen is visible, right? Yeah. Okay. So, this is what you will get. This is, so first you'll get this. This is what is linear regression with Python. It is basically a notebook which contains an example with which you'll understand what exactly linear regression is. Okay. So in this you have to import libraries, and then you have, this is all of this is given to you. Okay. In this, it is shown that this is how you proceed with linear regression, and this is how you apply linear regression. So what is a linear regression model? All of this, we'll share the resources with you, and this is just an example of how exactly a linear regression works. After that, we'll give you an assignment which will be of this sort, in which you will have to go through the instructions that are given, and this is the sample answer that you'll get. For example, in this you'll write the instruction, and in this will be the sample answer that you'll get. We'll provide you data sets and everything. Okay, and you just have to go through them and proceed with them in the same way as you did with all the other assignments. That is, you have to write the code here, and the sample answer should be as the form which is given here. Okay, so this is for linear regression, this is for logistic regression, and this is the project for logistic regression. Next we'll come to matplotlib and seaborn. In matplotlib, so there are various kind of plots which we can make. So two of them are distribution plots, and one of them is categorical plots. Okay, so there are 6 to 7 plots, in which for each of the plot you will get a separate notebook, from which you will study about what those plots are, how you make them, what different things in the plot, like for example, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So this is what I have made on the x-axis, and this is what I have made on the y-axis. So you'll get to know how to specify each axis and what to do with them, and there will be the exercise for the same. So you just have to go through this exercise and complete it. This will be the sample answer which is given here. Okay, so this is how you'll proceed with the same. Yeah, so if anyone has any doubt till now, they can ask. Nothing. Cool. Now I'll show you some of the links which we'll provide to you, and those links we'll definitely provide in the sheet and update it. You have to go through these links, and after going through these links only, you'll be able to solve the project that we have provided you. Okay, so these are the links which we find are good and are enough according to us. But if you want to go and explore more using some of your own links, or share that you have been going through these links or these doing these materials, you can definitely share them on the Discord or on the chat. And yeah, you are obviously, you can explore more as much as you want and as much as the time permits. Okay, so I'll go through this. So we'll start by sharing this article. What is this article? It is a Medium article which tells you basically about what is deep learning in an effortless way. So what exactly is deep learning? How is it? Why is it called deep learning? Why there are neural networks? Neural networks resemble nerves. So why are it? Does it resemble brain? Is it due to that? And everything is provided in this. What types of networks are there? uh, how it works, how it takes the data of the result back to the model and helps improve it. Next, we'll share you this link. It contains 7 most common machine learning loss functions. Now, loss functions, you'll know about it when you'll read about linear regression and logistic regression. You'll know what exactly loss function is and cost function is. And after that, you'll go through this and know what different types of loss functions are present there. This one. 7 most common machine learning loss functions. So in this cost function and loss function, you'll know about it. And we'll know about all the types of loss, for example, log loss, hinge loss. For regression, what type of loss we use, why do we use that loss, and all those things are given in the article. Next, we'll proceed with this article. In this, they tell us how to choose loss function while training a deep learning neural network. Now, we have these many loss functions. Now, there must be some sort of confusion, like which loss functions do we have to choose? So, this article just helps you get and make a basic intuition or understanding on which loss functions you have to choose. Later, we have provided you with video links, which starts from basic. So this is one of the video link we have provided. This site is very good, StatQuest site. This is a very cool YouTube channel. It makes you understand about various type of things in a very easier way. So yeah, you can check this channel out. It's a very good channel. And yeah, we'll start with how can we classify images using neural networks. So this is what we'll begin with. Next, this is a little deeper understanding into what CNNs are. Now, what we'll do is we'll share you a 4 chapter series regarding deep learning. This is also a very good channel, 3B1B, 3 Blue 1 Brown. And it also helps you explain various concepts in a very good way. And it's very simple and it uses animation. So it makes it interesting too. So this is a chapter 1, which tells us what exactly is a neural network. Then we go to chapter 2, which tells us what gradient descent is. Then we go to chapter 3, which tells you what back propagation is, which is very common thing in neural networks. You'll get to know about it once you go through all the resources. And the 4 we'll go through is back propagation calculus, like how do we actually do back propagation, what type of calculus or mathematics is involved in this, and how you can do it on your own too. Next, we'll provide you this one is this article and one more article which explains all the formula and how what exactly neural networks are and how they work. And similarly, this is the part 2 for that series. Yeah, so that's all we'll provide to you. If anyone has any doubts, they can ask, and if not, then I'll proceed with the deadlines and stuff.
We can proceed.
Yeah, yeah, I'm telling you all the deadlines. So don't have any doubt regarding this? Okay. So as I mentioned before, we'll provide you exercises for linear regression, logistic regression, matplotlib, and cbond. Okay. So the deadline for these exercises will be Wednesday EOD. Okay. The basic deadline for this would be Wednesday EOD. Then you can go through all the resources we have provided along with this, which will give you a basic understanding of what CNNs are, and then you'll be able to do the project that we have provided you, because we are not providing you any different practicing material for CNN. The project itself is enough for that. So you can go through all the materials of CNN, and the deadline for the same would be next Sunday EOD. Okay, so from Wednesday to Sunday you can go through the material, and then the final project you can go do after that next Sunday, and the deadline for the same would be Tuesday EOD. We'll share all of this to you in a Discord message so that it's very clear to you. And if you have any problem with the deadlines, or you're not able to meet the deadlines, just tell us beforehand. We can make all the changes that you want, and we can make it such that you'll be able to learn more and practice more. And coming to the bonus project, if you guys are done with the all the material that we have given and all the project that we have given, then yes, we'll share the bonus project soon and you can go through it. And yeah, the deadline for the project is next to next Sunday, as far as I know. That's when you have to be complete with the bonus project and all the doubts you have. And the project will end after that, and all of this will be provided to you in a Discord message. So just go through the materials that we have provided. And yes, if you have any doubt, you can obviously ask us on Discord. Uh, we generally answer the doubts in a few days. Sometimes it gets a little late, but because we were busy in the previous week, now we'll try to answer the doubts in the same day only. And yes, you can always reach out to me and Ame if you have any other query. So if you guys have any other doubt now, you can just ask it out. Have you guys done this week's material? Have you guys gone through it? How is it? Anyone can speak. How did you find the material and how the exercises are like? Do you find it easy so that we can give you some more, like we are giving you some more exercises to make it difficult? Just any one of you can speak, unmute themselves and speak.
I hope you are doing it diligently. Please submit by Sunday. And we are checking the commits. If you think you can submit later on, please don't do that. The same pull request, many of you had that out. The same pull request, just commit and it will be updated. And we'll be seeing that finally it will be merged when everything is checked. Hello? Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, the deadline of the week 3 will be Sunday.
Yes, yes, Sunday EOD.
Okay, okay.
And the new exercises that we'll provide will be Wednesday EOD, and for the deep learning part will be the next Sunday EOD. That's the project, right? That is the final project that is meant for the next week.
Okay.
Yeah. So no feedback, like how do you find the material or anything of that sort? Okay then. Like we would have liked if you were a little more vocal about how the project is going. And yeah, we'll always are open to all the suggestions that you have. We would actually like if you could give us some of the suggestions so that how we can improve on them.
Actually, कल का project तो अच्छा चल रहा है and then all doubts are getting cleared from online Google and ChatGPT stuff. But
Yes.
sometimes what happens is that some minor things
Yes.
makes my mind frustrated. Like I got frustrated
Mm-hmm.
too much. Like what the heck is going on here?
Mm-hmm.
But
Yeah.
it was easy actually. It was easy. Week one was little bit about getting informed how the platform works, but after that I didn't find any issue, and Amma has also helped me in some messages, and all things are working properly. And I think the week three exercises are relatively easier side.
Yeah, yeah, that's what we thought, and that's why we are sharing more material so that you can just go through them once, and yeah. And ML is like that only. Like now the models that you're training are very small. Later, when you go early on, you might have to train a model for hours, like 10, 12 hours, and in the middle of the training, the process get crashed. So all the information that you have made and all the things that you have done to the model, it gets lost. So yeah, it becomes kind of frustrating in between. So yeah, that's the nature of ML. But
Yep,
yes.
and sometimes like the uh some like we have to set something what was random state, and I am setting random state equal to zero, and the Kaggle the solution is also setting random state equal to zero. My answer is not matching with that one.
Yeah, 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 yeah. This happens sometimes. Yeah. So just go through it. You'll enjoy once you are done with the basics. And when you'll be able to solve some problems on your own. Like when you look at problem and get to know, yes, इसमें ये apply होता है. So you'll enjoy doing it. So yeah, we also found that week three material is a little bit on the easier side compared to the previous weeks. So we decided to share some more links with you so that you'll be able to go through them and then yeah, enjoy doing that too. Thanks for the feedback, Ghanshyam.
Welcome, Kalika.
Anyone else?
One more thing, Kalika, the site in which we have all the week material listed was like not opening from yesterday.
Okay, so the doc was not opening. Is that what it
Yes.
is? Yeah, okay, I'll look into it and share with and do the needful. Yeah, I'll
Be
check.
visible right now. I think around 10 to 15 people are active on that ML dev track.
Yeah, yeah, right now it's visible. I don't know why wasn't it yesterday.
Like I am accessing, but it shows can't open this page and error occur.
Oh, no, right now there are many people who are actually live on that. Like there are 9 to 10 people who are live on that site. Yeah, that's the site.
Is it opening, Ghanshyam?
Just checking, ma'am.
Sure.
Sent on the chat, meet chat.
We'll update all the links in this um, sheet only. So
Yes, it's opening, Kalika. It's opening, ma'am.
amazing. So
Thank you.
yeah, so we'll update all the materials and there will be a path for you. Like first you have to go through this, then solve this exercise, then go through this, so that it's easier for you to. We'll just go through them once and then you have to just see the updated sheet. We'll update it till tomorrow for sure. So right now you have to focus on the weak material that's given, and after we update it tomorrow, it's requested that you go through the material as soon as possible so that you'll be able to do the exercise after learning that material. That's clear, right? Yeah. Cool. So, any other feedback, any other doubt if you have?
Cool, I think then we can end.
Yeah, we can end the meet, and of course, you can ask the doubt in Discord. That's always open. Okay, then. Enjoy, guys. Bye bye.
Bye, bye,